If you are someone who has lost a lot of weight, or if you are planning to begin your journey of weight loss, then this video is definitely for you. In this video, we will cover what happens when you lose weight, why do you develop a saggy skin or a loose skin, and how can we treat it or prevent it as well. In this video, we will cover why you develop a loose skin after you lose weight, how to prevent it and how to treat it as well. Before you understand why you develop loose skin, it is also important to understand the basic structure of your skin. Our skin consists of basically two layers, the epidermis which protects the skin or the outer part of the skin, and the dermis which contains the important molecules such as elastin as well as collagen, which gives the strength and elasticity to our skin. And below these two layers is present the fat. So once you gain weight, you develop or accumulate fat below these layers, and this allows the skin to stretch because of the collagen as well as the elastin content. Now when you lose weight, suddenly the fat amount below the skin comes down and the stretched out collagen and elastin remain in this position. You can understand this analogy by the use of a rubber band. If you stretch the rubber band for a long time and leave it, it doesn't come back to its own original length. It stays a bit longer. It's the same thing that happens when you lose weight. The collagen and elastin in our skin kind of stays in a stretched position. Now you must be wondering how much of weight loss will actually lead to a loose skin. So this depends on 5 factors. One is the amount of weight that you lose. The second is the amount of weight you lose compared to the overall original weight that you had. Third, how fast you lose your weight. Number 4, genetically whether your skin was stronger, thicker before you started losing weight. And number 5, obviously the age at which you start losing your weight. It is important to take care of your loose skin because it's not just for the aesthetic and cosmetic reasons that you have saggy skin that you need to correct it. It is also for certain important aspects. When you develop skin folds, they can trap moisture beneath them, which can attract infection or skin rashes. Also, if the skin starts hanging down, it will affect your mobility and limit your ability to exercise or to jog or to run. And also, once the skin becomes too long, it may rub against a part of body and it can cause chafing, redness or sometimes even hyperpigmentation along the folds. Depending on how fast you lose weight or how much you lose weight, you may not be able to prevent the skin hanging, but there are certain ways you can use to avoid them. Number 1, focus on losing weight in a gradual and a phased manner. This will allow the collagen and the elastin present in the skin to gradually relax over a longer period of time. Focus on strength training to make sure that you have a bigger surface area for the skin to stretch over the enlarged muscles. Focus on taking a good protein diet and adequate hydration. Supplement your food with good supplement like collagen or omega-3 fatty acids. Make sure you don't smoke during that time and take care of your skin with emollients and other skin barrier repair creams. Now, if you are someone who already has sagging skin and want to get rid of it, now here are the treatment options that are available. Depending if you have mild to moderate amount of skin laxity or looseness, then you can consider probably non-invasive or non-surgical treatments. There are multiple energy-based treatment options such as radiofrequency, ultrasound as well as laser to tackle this loose skin. But if you're someone who has a lot of skin laxity, then probably these treatments won't help you, and what you would require is essentially a surgical method or a surgical option to correct it. This is nothing but called body lift procedures such as brachioplasty for arms, such as breast lift or mastopexy, abdominoplasty or lower body lift for the lower part of your body, and for the thighs, thigh lift. Depending on how much skin laxity you have, whether it is mild, moderate or severe, depending at what stage of your weight loss journey you are at, schedule a consultation with us and we'll guide you through step by step through your process. If you want to know more about it, comment down below and we'll answer them for you. Like, share and subscribe if you want to see similar content and videos.